Hey guys, today I'm going to review the Nicer Dicer. This is from Ganesh. This is the vegetable dicer with 12 cutting blades. So this is how the product looks. It has Ganesh right here, and I'll first show you guys all the blades that are available. This is the first one, the small and big, and then here comes all the rest of the blade. This is the holder, the peeler and the grater. This is another blade. These are attachments to this. Another grater. These kinds of attachments. I think this is great for French fries. This one for fruits. And then this one, which has a bit more thicker lining to it. Another small grater. What is this for? I have no idea. No idea what this is for. So I'm going to try each blade and see if it actually works. I'm going to try onions. Onion, okay. Okay. The pressure that we have to give, I guess. So I'm going to cut the onion into half. So I cut it into half. So let's see if it's easy now. Yes. It's done. So there you go. Onions right there. I'm going to try again by cutting into half. The thud that I'm giving is definitely a really forceful thud. That's a really forceful one, you can obviously see. Okay, oof. That's a lot of force used. And definitely does cut well, there's no doubt in that. The only thing, and you can see it has taken the stem out correctly. But anyways, yeah. It is a forceful thud that you have to do. But still, it's done. That's done, so I'm going to do a tomato next. Oh my god. Okay. Got that. No. Nothing happened, I guess. Well, maybe it was a ripe tomato. I don't know what to tell. No. The whole place is getting messy. Not good for chopping tomatoes. That didn't work for me. So I'm using a different blade and I'm going to try potatoes this time. I've cut potatoes into 4. This is super easy. Wow. That was really easy. Really easy. So I've placed this blade again and I'm going to try this side and I'm going to try some capsicum. Wow. Super. So, there you go. Awesome. The next thing is I'm going to try this blade. Wow. Wow, this is so freaking easy. Oh my god. This is so easy. Like, whoa. Look how thin and awesome it is. So you just have to take that off and put this and snap that. Very easy. Okay. Wow, this is so cool. This is so cool. You can see how thick it is. You see all that thick slices, how easy it was for me to make. Next I'm going to try it with raw banana and see if it works. And I'm going to use this peeler. Cool. Peels really well. So I'm going to try this. Now let's see. Wow, that is so easy. I think when it comes really close, you can just use this attachment. And makes it even more easy. So I can do it till the end, you see, till that. Wow, look at that, guys. Perfect for fries. Perfect. Next I'm going to try cabbage. I'm going to take a few leaves. Okay, it's not doing cabbage well, which we can obviously see. It's not going in these really small ones. Let me try the big side. I'm trying the big side. Okay, the problem is the small side. Cabbage will not work in the small side, but works in the big one. Cool. Now I understand. Perfect. Wow. You see that? Awesome. Awesome cabbage. Next I'm going to use the grater. I'm going to grate carrot. This is the big one of the grater that they have. Wow, it does grate well. Good grater too. And I think you can use the small one when you're making carrot halwa or something like that. So yeah guys, it basically works. Everything, it just makes things really easy. It does really quickly. Everything is so easy except for the tomato. I think everything works amazing. So this is definitely value for money. I'll put the link in the description bar, and hope this video was useful. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.